Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Blue Jay company. Okay, so this is off-campus drive for the fresher candidates. We will check one by one the eligibility criteria and all. About Blue Jay Solutions, they have provided some company information here. So directly we will proceed to the job description. That this position is for management trainee. Okay, so management trainee is a member of Blue Jay support services team responsible for working with Blue Jay customers and resellers to manage and resolve incidents relating to our products and integration tools. Primary activities include issue diagnosis, troubleshooting, incident management. The support analyst will use strong problem solving skills combined with excellent communication and customer focus to maintain high level of customer satisfaction. Job type is this is full time, then job location is Hyderabad, position is management trainee, there is no service bond, CTC is 3.5 LPA to 4 LPA. And eligibility criteria: B, BTech, BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA candidates, only 2019 and 2020 pass out candidates apply. Minimum 60% and above throughout academics. Candidates must have very strong written and verbal communication skills. Essential responsibilities: you must be willing to work in a flexible hours, respond to contact from customers and resellers via phone, email and electronic incident submission, define, research and resolve customer issues in a timely, accurate manner, routing non-technical issues to appropriate Blue Jay personnel using approved business process, provides timely updates to the customers, co-workers and management on the status of outstanding issues. Other responsibilities will be perform other duties as needed, participate in 24/7 call rotation. Desired skills: ability to work independently, ability to work, function and contribute in an environment. Effective time management skill: knowledge of SQL would be desired but not essential. Physical requirement: general office environment and responsibilities requiring extensive use of the computer, which involves viewing a monitor and keyboard for most of the work day. Then placing and receiving phone calls. What will be the selection process? There will be an online test, technical interview and HR discussion will be there. And these are the important guidelines. That online test date and time will be discussed with the registered candidates via email only. After test, shortlisted candidates must be available for the further online interview process and candidates should be available for immediate joining. Okay, so to apply for this Blue Jay off campus drive, what you need to do? You need to fill this form, enter your email ID here, then verify your email. When you enter your email ID, then click on this verify email button. You will get an OTP on your registered mail ID. Then verify your mail ID and fill all the details: your full name, your contact number, your current location, your graduation year of passing, your graduation degree, then your branch. If you have done MSc, then select appropriate. Then post graduation subject, then please mention your graduation percentage. Do not enter CGPA. Convert your CGPA into percentage by multiplying by 10. Okay, then mention your 12th percentage, mention your 10th percentage. Here also same criteria for CGPA. Convert your CGPA into percentage. Are you available to join immediately? Click on yes. Then are you willing to work in 24/7 call rotation shifts? Select appropriate answer as per your requirement. Then tick this box and click on submit button. Okay, so yeah, this is the off campus drive. Position is management trainee. So dear batch 2019 and 2020 candidates, please apply for this position. This is a very good opportunity. Okay, and please share this video with your friends as well so that they will also apply for this position. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel as well so that you will get daily job notification of campus drives for graduate. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.